Yes, this is Samsung Galaxy A71 5G. So as you can see, it charges very well. It will show charging and even 100%, but there's no way to come on. The button is bad. The power on button is bad. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to repair that power button. Just see, it's another style. So just watch the video right up to the end. So we'll start by, we have to remove this back cover. Yes, we have to remove the back cover after we unscrew the phone. So disconnect the battery. So how to remove the motherboard and try to put on the phone motherboard. So this is it. After removing it, I'm connect the battery and then try to put the phone on the motherboard. As you can see, press it. That's it, A71 5G. So as you can see, the problem is the power button that we are going to repair it in few seconds. So that's it. So let's just go ahead and see how to do the matter. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips.